Hey, what is up, everybody? XXDJ here, and today we're going to be reacting to 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras by Nuke's Top 5. So without further ado, let's begin. Sorry.
Top 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. A cry for help. This video was posted by Reddit user Unknown Truth.
That's a weird username.
He says that his friend's wife had a very odd experience one day as she walked outside to do the laundry. The incident was
Outside? You do laundry outside?
caught on their Ring doorbell camera.
Okay, that's really creepy. That's her Ring doorbell thing, and that's her, and it's coming from that thing. There's something in the house, I think.
The woman hears some strange noise, and it's not coming from the Ring camera speaker.
Oh, I guess it's not.
In fact, the eerie moaning seems to be coming right out of the bare wall beside her.
That's creepy.
Now I boosted the audio on this clip and, well, just take a listen.
Please, lady, please help me. Oh, lady, please. That's creepy.
Some strange voice in the wall seems to be crying out for help. The woman is so freaked out that she actually goes inside and calls the police.
I looked around, I didn't see anybody out on the road or any cars or anything. So I went back to my Ring video to make sure I wasn't just creatively hearing something.
I can hear somebody saying something, but I can't.
Well, I posted it on there.
The police search the premises, but there's no one there.
Okay, that's making it even more weird.
So just what is this strange disembodied voice that seems to be begging for help? Let me know what you think down in the comments. No treat. The thought
Oh no, that's creepy right there.
of Halloween sparks images of happy children dressed in costumes rushing from door to door to collect as much candy as they can. But this next video didn't take place on Halloween. It happened in the middle of a sweltering summer day in August in San Antonio, Texas.
Well, it's not even October, and some kid went up asking for treats. That mask is creepy. No, I would not answer the door. No.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
That just makes it even more creepy. He's just going, trick or treat, bang, bang, bang. No.
Trick or treat. Smell my feet. My feet blue snap.
He said, trick or treat, smell my feet.
Stolen from the cinema. It's a sea land. Lucky truck.
Now, is that a grown man? Because it kind of looks like a grown man.
The bizarre masked man says, "Trick or treat, smell my feet." Then he seems to get distracted by his own feet. And then he just seems to wander off in a confused state. Now, one has to wonder if the man had been having some special treats of his own.
Taking drugs, probably.
Surprise visit. On a warm sunny day in May, Gerald Haywood was visiting a friend's home in Lawton, Oklahoma. Now, in accordance with YouTube's family-friendly content guidelines, let me say in advance that no one was seriously hurt in this clip, but I'll explain that later.
And then a guy comes out and just shoots him. What was that?
Kurt, take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. That's that snake.
A snake?
That snake. It's your mail.
Apparently it was a snake and it was at his mailbox. What?
Right there. No, I'm not.
Turns out that there's a 6-foot-long snake
Jesus Christ!
wrapped around the porch light. When Gerald opens the door, the snake strikes just above his right eye. Luckily, the snake is not venomous, and the bite above his
Okay, that's good.
eye isn't deep. Gerald was rushed to the hospital, but didn't require anything more than a couple of band-aids and some light antibiotics. And I have to admit, the first time I watched this video, I thought it was horrific. And the second time, I thought it was hilarious.
So the second time I thought it was hilarious.
So, I'm sorry, Gerald.
Okay, now you say it's kind of funny.
Take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. That's that snake. That's that snake. It's your mailbox. Right there. No, I'm not.
Ghost caught on doorbell. YouTube user LexusJV claims that he caught a ghost on his Ring doorbell camera. At 4:23 in the morning, he got an alert that his camera had sensed motion. When he
And there was nothing there.
first reviewed the tape, he just noticed this, which just appears to be a
That's weird.
spider web moving in the wind.
That didn't look anything like a spider web.
But then, when he looked closer, he noticed this.
Oh nah, no, that's creepy. The window, there's a face there.
It looks almost as if some shapeless white face is pressed to the window for a closer look inside. The Ring camera, sensing no more motion, just shuts off. And it didn't turn
Okay, now that's creepy.
back on again for the rest of the night. So is this a ghost in the window, or just a trick of the light? In another alleged ghost Ring video, YouTuber Vengeance Gaming posted a video saying that he thought his Ring doorbell had picked up a ghost.
I'll link them in the description if I don't forget.
We see what looks like a woman dressed all in white,
Yeah, that's creepy.
who seems to walk out of the darkness from somewhere near the house. And then she just sort of walks off into the dark. Vengeance Gaming, who by the way has never posted another paranormal
Again, that could just be an insane asylum escape.
video on his channel, suggests that it could be, quote, the lady in white. But it could also simply just be a prank. You decide. One night. Late one night, an older woman named Kathleen hears something outside her Bristol, Connecticut home. Cautious about opening the door to a stranger, she looks outside and sees someone in a car parked just across the street from her house. She yells from a window.
Can I help you? The second time I yelled it, he took off without the lights on
Oh no.
and then went flying up the other street.
When Kathleen checks her Ring doorbell camera, her blood runs cold.
Oh no. Oh no. Why does he have sunglasses on? I think they're sunglasses. He's just staring at it. He covered up his hand with the sleeve.
It looks like a scene right out of a Purge movie, and the potential
That mask, though.
intruder definitely seems to have meant Kathleen harm.
Watch how he wipes off the door handle. And
Yeah. He probably do. Yeah.
he's got something heavy in his pocket.
Kathleen contacted the police, but the mysterious man in the smiling mask has never been found.
That's a mask. I was about to say, yeah, he has a big smirk on his face.
It's not all bad.
Ooh, an extra one.
After all the weird and scary things that I've counted down in this list, it might seem like doorbell cameras only record frightening things and the absolute worst of human nature. So I wanted to include one last bonus story that might at least slightly restore your faith in humanity. Katie Egermacris was leaving in a rush one morning from her Washington, D.C. home and forgot to zip her purse. Her wallet fell out somewhere along her way to work. She certainly never expected to see it again.
Some guy found it, brought it up to a Ring doorbell, said, "Hey, if this is yours, I'm gonna leave it here," and then she leaves it here. And then the guy leaves it there. I've seen these a million times.
But when she got home, she found this on her doorbell camera.
Yeah, that's what I thought. At least he's not trying to get trick or treat. At least he's not trying to get candy.
The man who had found her wallet had checked her ID to find her address, and then had even delivered her wallet right to her door. He tries to put it in her mailbox, but it won't fit, so he hides it safely under the mat. Katie says that all of her credit cards were there, and not even a single dollar was missing. Thanks for watching. If you'd like
Well, at least that lined up the story. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.